Hi, it's Laura. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to my channel. Today I just received my new seasonal Margot Elena box. And so we're going to have a quick look and see what's inside. So this is box number 16 for fall 2021. All right, let's see what is in her. It's very heavy. They're always super well packed, but this is a massive box this time. So let's just open that up. I don't know what is going on with shipping, but my boxes always come super dirty, and it's unfortunate because the boxes are so pretty with floral patterns. So I will give you the first glimpse inside. The year's last loveliest smile. That's nice. So here we have contents of the box. Nice green paper, and the wait is over. So let's see what indeed we were waiting for. And like I said, everything is amazingly well packed. This is a product card for their new line, Infinite Shea, 20% off. Very nice. And here you can see the inside of that. Jam packed with beautiful goodies. All right, first item. This is BonBon Shea Butter Lotion. Wonderful. I do like their hand lotions and hand creams, and that is very pretty. And they range from maybe $12 to $20. BonBon Shea Butter. Beautiful packaging, as always. Lovely box and presentation. This is Kabuki, lychee, sugared grapefruit, sweet jasmine, and warm vanilla. All right, next up, right from the top here, this is something from their new Infinite Shea line. And this is Inspired Rollerball Perfume. Create Beauty. This is Violet Leaf, Jasmine, Passion, and Creative Rollerball Perfume. Infinite Shea. It's nice. It's quite floral, a little more fruity, not too overly sweet, very pleasant, very warm. I do have to quibble about the name Infinite Shea. I think that does exclude some people who may enjoy the products. Another thing that comes out unwrapped. So a perfumed soap, really sweet. All right, one of the items, again, carefully packaged and wrapped. Some of the things are breakable, so it's nice that they protect them quite well. Ooh. This is Cottage Greenhouse Relaxing Bath Soak with just the adorable little scoop right there. Sugar Beet and Blossom. And the next wrapped up item. And this is Lollia Dry Body Oil, White Tea, and Honeysuckle. Very clean, very light, and quite a large quantity of this. I have not tried their body oil before. And another carefully wrapped. This item and the last item are both quite heavy. They're both in, is this glass? This might be a glass jar. Japanese Plum and White Tea Cottage Greenhouse Whipped Body Butter. Ooh. Oh, that's lovely. Really nice. We have some very nice little note cards. Adorable. Always handy to have a few little note cards to send out to friends. This is very mysterious. And upside down. Infinite Shea, ginger flower, honeysuckle, amber, candle. Beautiful. Interesting shape. I like the colors. Yeah, wow, that's really pretty. This is a new candle shape for them. I really love their candles. They are very fragrant and they last an exceedingly long time. Last item. It's kind of a strange color for fall, but okay. I'm down with it. All right, we have a full-size Lollia Wish Sugared Pastel Perfumed Shower Gel. And I have to say, the shower gel that was a salted grapefruit from the Cottage garden a box ago is the most amazing shower gel. I absolutely love it. That was my favorite thing from the last box. So it's really nice to get some more, this time perfumed sugared pastel shower gel. Yeah, I prefer the grapefruit one. It's so invigorating, but this will also be nice. And again, their products last a long time. I still have not got through the products from the last shipment. All right, so let's have a quick little review of the items and their suggested retail price from their website. Wish Perfumed Shower Gel, $22. That's this item. Kabuki Hand Cream, Shea Butter, and that's that item, regular $22. Finest Perfumed Soap, listed at $10. Note cards are listed at $16. That's a little excessive for note cards, I think, but they're still sweet. Sugar Beet Blossom Bath Soak, that is listed at $12. Japanese Plum White Tea Body Butter, listed at $32. Dream Dry Body Oil, $42. The Rollerball Perfume from the new line, $28. And exclusive mini Find Your Fire Candle is listed at $20. So the retail value for them is $204.50. That is quite a retail value. Again, their items are expensive, but for the price of the box, I think it's an outstanding value. It's all very high quality. There's no little filler items in here trying to add value. All of it is outstanding products. We also got the 20% off discount card for the new Infinite Shea line. So this is box number 16. I'm very happy with that. The Margot Elena Fall 2021 subscription box. I really hope you have a wonderful day. I hope if you do have any struggles in your life, you have people around you that can help deal with it. Know that you are not alone. And for as good as everybody's life seems out here on the vast social media internet, it's not always reality. We all have struggles, and I hope that you can overcome yours. And know that there are people that think of you and wish for you to have a happy day, and I am one of them. So, until next time.